Hey guys, it's Catfish. Back with another video. Today's video, man, listen, we got a chance to come to MGM Motor Cars. Me and my buddy, Stunna, he back there doing something. But yeah, man, they got a lot. This inventory they got here is crazy, man. Yes, sir. All right, guys, I'm going to let you see what I see. They got some stuff up in here. First thing, look at this 69 Firebird. Sheesh. It's a drop top, too. I love 69s, boy. This thing is beautiful. Now, right behind it, they got a GS 70 GS, the 454 convertible. Look at this. And it got shipped on the column. This is where we at, guys. MGM Classic Cars. And right behind that, we got GTO. Red line tires. Oh, it's a manual too. Got the vinyl top. Y'all see the red line tires? Wow. 71 Chevelle. There's a lot of stuff in here. I probably won't even get to all of them. Look at this. Column shifter. 60. I think this is a 68 Camaro. LS swap too, guys. Woo, come on now. Yep, y'all see it? SS Camaro. Oh, it's an SSRS. See the lights? Yeah. LS swap. Then they got another SS. Oh, that's an SS 454. Thing is beautiful. Look. All right. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Wow. Got another split bumper Camaro. Wow, this is nice too. I like the seats. Got the new SS seats in it. And they got another Camaro back here. 69 SS. 350. 54,000. Y'all see it. Pistol grip shifter. Wow, they got a lot of cars in here, man. Got another Nova. Ooh, look at this. It's nice too. Got another Camaro. Look at the paint. Beautiful. I don't know if this is a SSRS or not. Let me see. I don't know what year this one is. This one nice too. Got a bunch of Camaros. There go another one. This one a manual. SS. The collar induction hood. We got a lot of cars in here, guys. Look. Y'all see. Just look. Look at all the cars. That's just a few of them. They got a whole lot of stuff in here. A Fiat. Another Camaro. This is 73. Ooh, look at this fire. Oh my God. Look at this 69 Firebird right here. Ooh, it's sold too, guys. This is gorgeous. 59,000. Look at the vinyl top. Oh, it's a manual too. Look at the tweed seats. It's a manual. The power antenna right there. Oof. Got another SSRS right behind it. 67. Oh my God. Sheesh. Look at this. Brodex heads on it, guys. 46,000 for this one. Let me see, is it a manual? Nope. Automatic. Got a Nova 72 back here. Look at that. Ooh, Lord, that is gorgeous. Wait a minute, man. Wait, guys. We got a Maverick in the building. Look at this Maverick, man. You got a Maverick, 24,000. Let me see what engine is in it. Oh, it got a 5.0 in it, guys. Remember the old rain guards? They used to make them out of steel. Yep. Look at that. Look at the interior. Come on, man. You got my brother over there. You got my brother over there putting in work. Look at this Corvette. Sheesh. Pretty orange. AC. Got a vintage AC on it. 350. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. We pan back and let y'all get the full ambiance. That Corvette is nice. They got a bunch of Camaro. This one LS swap, guys. Whoosh. Only thing it don't have is AC. I don't see no compressor, but that thing nasty, boy. Look at the paint on it. 67. Nice. They got some heat up in here. Wow. Yeah, y'all see it. They got another one, 69, with the vent things on the hood. This one gorgeous too. Sheesh. Man. They got some stuff in here, guys. MGM Motor Cars. Look them up. And this one is actually a manual. And they got another one in front of this. Front of that one. Look at the steering wheel. Got the upgraded shifter. This one LS swap. This one sold. This one LS swap too. Jeez, look at this. This one LS swap too. And this one got AC because there's a compressor right there. This is 67 also. Yeah, guys. Look at that ticket though. 32 Roadster. Oh, this is real nice. This is real now. Hey, that's LS swap too. Come on, man. I ain't never seen one of these LS swap. It's LS swapped also. You know what kind of wheels on it? Billet Specialties. Billet mirrors. Oh, wow. Look at it. Look. Gauge cluster. Billet steering wheel. This is beautiful. Wow. Right next to it. I gotta tell you guys, they got some of everything in here. Got Ferrari. It's a GTA. 455 GTA. Look, still got the phone in it. I don't know what year it is, but boy, it's nasty. Go back down, look at the full ambiance. Look at that thing, man. That thing is gorgeous. But I want to show y'all a rare car though. You might not see these too often. 67 Barracuda with the big scoop on it. Y'all see the front of it. Yeah. Oh, this is 64. My bad. 64. 59,000. Look at that scoop. That's crazy. Woo. And it's functional too, guys. Y'all see down in there? See the air cleaner? It's functional. Wow. Yep. Then they got another Camaro. They got a lot of Camaros in here. A lot of Camaros. This one got the big block in it. I don't know I don't know. Oh, it's a manual too. Okay. Now, I don't know the price on this one. Got the optimum battery. That's nice though. They got a lot of stuff in here, man. They got a lot of stuff. They got another split bumper Z28 right next to it. Where? I like that. Split bumper. It's got the big block in it too. It's not LS swap. Let me see, is it a manual or not? Nope. Automatic. It's gorgeous though. But this thing right here though, this nasty. First thing when you walk in the building, you see this. 70 Chevelle. But look under the hood though. LS swap. Yes, sir. Full ambiance that thing. That thing absolutely gorgeous. Got the red guts too. Yep. See it? Got billet specialty steering wheel. Cup holders, upgraded interior. Thing nasty. All right. But this one LS swap too. This one got the LS3 in it. They got AC too. 69, I do believe. Beautiful. American racing wheels. Yep. The T-shifter. It's a Vert. Yank. Oh, wait. Yanko, guys. Okay. Whew. Man, they got a lot of Chevys in there. 66, SS396. Oh, it's 427. Vert, too. 427. Aluminum manifold. Red line tires. We got the old school shifter before they changed it to the T-bar. Because it's 66. Oh, 67. My bad. 67, guys. My bad. I thought it was a 66. I was looking at the front lights, but it's a 67. Yep. All right. Look at this one. Woo. They got a lot of heat in here, boy. I like this blue. This one got a upgraded shifter. 72. It's nice too. 39 for this one. Collar induction hood. We got a lot of stuff in here. Got 71 Chevelle. I like it. Got the old school cow hood pins, rally wheels, black interior. That boy nice too. Manual, guys. Okay. Another SS. I think this is 70. Look at the wheels. This is nice too. Wood steering wheel, column shifter. Now that's rare. Like the wheels. That's rare. Yep, 70. And got another one back here that's sold. Red with the beige stripe. Now, I ain't never seen that before. Got the Riddler wheels on it. This one's sold too. T-bottom shifter. Got the old style steering wheel on it. Look at this dart, guys. For you guys don't know, I had a 71 dart. This is 72 dart. It's got the new style shifter in it. 340. That's what was in mine. I had a blue one. A blue and white one. You got somebody making noise back there. 64 Chevy. With the white with the blue interior. Column shifter. got the buckets with the armrest in the middle, and then it got the cup holders right there. They got a lot of Chevelles. This is 69 SS. They got two of them right next to each other. Red with white interior and blue and white with white interior. And $65,000 for this one. Ooh, look at the rib. Got the original motor in it with the AC. 65,000. 65 rib. Ooh, this is clean. I like this. I like this. The paint on it is flawless. I mean, flawless. Sheesh. Paint on this car is immaculate. Oh, it even got the stripe to match the paint on the wheels. Okay. We got another SS. This one LS swap with AC. Look at this one. Look at the paint on this one. Ooh, that's clean. Wait a minute, guys. The steering wheel is the same color as the car. Look. It's a 67. Y'all know by the lights, by the back lights. It's just a Chevelle, but it's clean though. I like it. We got another 67 SS right there. Look at this one. This one's a manual. Okay. Paint is flawless on this one too. They got a lot of them. They got a 60 and they got a 66 in front of that one. They got some stuff in there. Look at this 66. This one clean too. Got the old Sky American racing wheels on it. This one's an automatic too. But this is an SS though. This thing is pretty. 396. But wait, guys. Y'all gotta see this back here. Y'all might have seen it. Look, got T-type. And it's T-top too. Look at this one. Look at the jewelry box on this one. Yeah, I see it. I like the wheels. Black with the chrome lip. AC. T-top. Got the cranberry guts in it. Nice. Yeah, guys, that's beautiful too. Then they got another Malibu back. They got a lot of Malibus. They got a lot of them, guys. It's that teal color. This is pretty also. Column shifter. 66. That's how you can tell. The 66 got these lights like this. The 67 has the lights that go up and down like that. Corvette back here. Another SSRS. The traditional big block in it, headers. Another 69 SS. Wow, they got a lot of stuff, man. Oh, this is a Cuda. 446 pack. 70. Yes, sir. Slapstick, automatic. Yeah, boy. Wait a minute. Got a Nissan in here. This Nissan. Nice. 300. Turbo too. You don't see these. I want it as a manual or as an automatic. You got T-tops too, guys. Oh, automatic. Make it even rarer. Yes, sir. Yeah. Oh, it got the dual exhaust on there. Somebody did that though. That's nice. I see the turbo. Dual overhead cam, V6 of them. Yeah, that's a nice car too. That's beautiful. SS 454. Traditional big block with the vintage air. Y'all see the compressor right there. Thing clean too. Woo, they got, like I say, guys, they got some heat up in here. Sheesh. Y'all see it? Headers, all that good stuff. This one automatic too. Collar induction hood. Woo. 65 Impala SS. Vert. Beautiful. Woo. Red with the black top with the red guts. Look at this. Upgrading. Oh, it's a manual too, guys. Come on, man. Wow. Okay. 327. Look at this Porsche. Oh, guys. HRE wheels. Y'all see. This thing is out. What year is this? This thing is gorgeous. They got the detailer doing 78, guys. Look at, got the detailer doing his thing. He do what I do. That's what I do. Yeah, I own a detail business. Oh, this thing is gorgeous. Manual too. Look at the back seats, how they curve, guys. This is absolutely gorgeous. Got the big tail on the back. 78 Porsche. Told you guys they got some of everything in this dealership, man. He got it glassed up too, guys. Y'all see that paint? Look at that. And the light is on. He got it glassed up. And I like that. 78 Porsche, guys. Woo. But like I say, man, they got some heat in here. For real. I just gave you some of the cars. I didn't even get all of them. And the ones that I didn't get, you'll see them on my brother Stunna Reese's channel, man. It's a lot of cars in here. They got a lot of stuff, man. I didn't even know this dealership was here. It's another one I ain't know about till Stunna called me this morning and said, hey, Catfish, you want to ride with me? I'm going to go to this dealership. It's MGM Cars. I'll show you where it is. I'll show you what it is right now. MGM Classic Cars. It's in Addison. Here we go. MGM Classic Cars. Look them up. This Volkswagen nice too. Almost missed it. Yep. But yeah, they got some heat. It's 23, 67. Beautiful. I mean, guys, just, I don't know. You know how you come across these dealerships, but they got some, look at all this. Look at all this. And like I said, I just got some of them. I got as many as I could. It's gonna be a little short video, but guys, look, I'm just gonna walk back through. Crazy. I love this Firebird. It's sold too. If y'all don't know the story, my uncle had one. I was like 12 years old. He had a 69 Firebird. It was red with white interior. Yep, he used to take me for a ride all the time. That's how I fell in love with Pontiacs, period, guys. Look at all this stuff. And y'all know I had a 71 Dart Swinger. That is a 72 Dart Swinger. But I had a 71 Dart Swinger. It was blue. And I put swivel bucket. If y'all don't know the story, I put swivel bucket seats in it. Out of a Monte Carlo, I went to the junkyard and put some swivel buckets in it. Yep, I sure did. This 67 is sold too. Beautiful. They got, like I said, they got some stuff, man. It's a car over there I gotta show you guys. But look at it, they even got one of these. They got that sitting back here in the cut. But wait a minute. I gotta show you this before I get it. Look at this Look at this. This thing is so beautiful. 55 Bel Air. This thing is gorgeous. I had to get this on here before I get out of here, man. Been the good guys. Look at the suede and leather interior. Look at the shifter, and it's a manual too, guys. Look at the steering wheel. The paint is immaculate. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Look at the third brake light. That's the third brake light right there. Thing is clean. I love the exhaust. Yep. But like I said, guys, a lot of stuff. This thing is that. Look at the dash. It's probably digital. This thing is gorgeous. Man, they want 46 for this. So, well, yeah, guys. Look, Stunna doing his thing, man.
What you lying about?
I ain't lying about nothing. Man, but like I say, guys, I just got some of the cars, and the ones that I didn't get, my brother got them. But like I said, I miss my dark, guys. I really do. I got T-boned in it, and I cried for about 2 weeks. Yeah, an older lady ran through a light, and I had the exact same steering wheel on mine. Could you imagine? I like the seats, but could you imagine one of these with some swivel buckets in it? I love the back lights too. Y'all see the back lights? I didn't have a spoiler on mine. But I had one of the 71. This is 72. They look identical. And mine didn't have the scoops on the hood. See, that's what the scoops look like. Yes, sir. Yep, same engine, 340. That's the air filter the oil filter right there. I didn't it wasn't a 6-pack, it was just a regular 340. But yeah, man, they got some heat up in this place. And like I said, I couldn't get them all. Oh, wait a minute, let me show you this one. Or did I get, I didn't think I got this one. They got this back here in the cut. I think this, I don't know what year this one is. Look at all the speakers. Look at the dash. Look at all the speakers back there. Got a bunch of speakers in this boy. I know this boy booming. Got the GT steering wheel. I think it's a 65, I think. I'm not sure. But yeah, that's nice. They got a lot of stuff in here though. They got a lot of stuff. All right, guys. That's gonna wrap this edition of Catfish Corner up from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. Whoa, wait a minute. Whoa, wait. Before I wrap it up, whoa. Almost missed the GTO drop top, guys. Almost. Woo. Got the Trans Am steering wheel on it. Yes, sir. I almost missed this one. Got the Pontiac wheels. Trim rings. Y'all see them? Almost missed this one. I don't know what I was thinking about. Classic front end on the GTO. Yep. Classic. Yep. Y'all see. We build excitement. That used to be the slogan for Pontiac. Yes, sir. All right, guys. That's going to wrap this edition of Catfish Corner up from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois. I hope you enjoyed it. And like I said, the ones that I didn't get, my brother got on his video because, you know, our video is going to be totally different from each other. All right, guys. I'll see you guys on the next one. And just like that, this video is over. Talk to you on the next one. Peace.